Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss? Imagine waking up every day, excited to work on something you're truly passionate about. Do you have a passion you want to share with the world? Whether it's a unique product, a creative service, or an innovative idea, your passion deserves a platform. Starting an online business might be perfect for you. It's a journey that allows you to reach a global audience from the comfort of your home. Shopify makes it easier than ever to build your own website and start selling. With its user-friendly interface, you can have your store up and running in no time. Shopify is like the behind-the-scenes magic for your online store. It handles all the technical details so you can focus on what you do best, creating and selling. It helps you create a beautiful website, list your products, and manage everything in one place. From inventory management to order processing, Shopify has got you covered. No need to be a tech whiz. Shopify's intuitive design means anyone can set up a professional-looking store without any coding knowledge. Shopify is designed for everyone, even if you're brand new to selling online. With comprehensive tutorials and customer support, you'll never feel lost. With Shopify, you are in control. You have the power to shape your business exactly how you envision it. You choose what you sell, how much you sell it for, and how you want your store to look. Personalize your e-commerce experience to reflect your brand's unique identity. It's time to let your entrepreneurial spirit shine. Celebrate every milestone and watch your business grow. Ready to turn your dreams into reality? Let's get started. With Shopify, the possibilities are endless. Your dream business is just a few clicks away. Taking the first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Fortunately, Shopify makes it super simple and straightforward. Head over to shopify.com and look for the Start Free Trial button. It's prominently displayed on the homepage. Click it, and you're on your way to creating your very own online store. Shopify will ask for some basic information, like your email address and what you want to sell. This helps them tailor the experience to your needs. Don't worry if you haven't figured out all the details yet. You can always change them later. Flexibility is key in the early stages. Once you've filled out the form, congratulations. You're officially in business. This is a huge milestone worth celebrating. Shopify will give you a comprehensive tour of your new online store and show you the ropes. This tour is designed to help you get acquainted with all the features. Don't be afraid to click around and explore. The more you interact with the platform, the more comfortable you'll become. The more familiar you are with the Shopify dashboard, the more confident you'll feel building your online empire. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Take advantage of Shopify's extensive library of tutorials and resources. These can provide valuable insights and tips. Join the Shopify community to connect with other entrepreneurs. Sharing experiences and advice can be incredibly beneficial. Pay attention to the details, like product photos and descriptions. These elements can make a big difference in attracting customers. And finally, always keep your customers in mind. Their satisfaction is the key to your success. Now for the fun part, designing your store. Shopify offers a variety of themes, which are like pre-designed templates for your website's look and feel. Think of it like choosing the perfect outfit for your store to make a great first impression. Browse through the theme store and find one that speaks to you and your brand. Do you want something clean and modern, or maybe something playful and colorful? There's a theme out there for everyone. Once you've found the perfect theme, you can customize it to match your brand's personality. Change the colors, fonts, and images to create a look that's uniquely you. Remember, your website is your digital storefront, so make it shine. It's time to stock your virtual shelves with amazing products. In your Shopify dashboard, you'll find a section to add products. Click that button and get ready to share your creations with the world. For each product, you'll want to include some key information. A catchy name that grabs attention. Tell your customers everything they need to know about the product. Be descriptive. highlight the benefits, and make them want it. Set a fair price that reflects the value of your product. High-quality photos are essential. Show your products from different angles and in use. The better your image is, the more likely customers are to buy. Section 5. Getting paid. Setting up payments. What's a store without a way to get paid? Shopify makes it easy to connect your store with popular payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe. These services allow your customers to pay securely using their credit cards or other payment methods. Setting up payments is crucial for a smooth checkout experience. You'll need to create accounts with your chosen payment providers and connect them to your Shopify store. Don't worry, Shopify provides step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. Section 6. Smooth deliveries, shipping options. Now that you're all set up to get paid, let's make sure your products reach their happy buyers. Shipping can seem tricky, but Shopify has options to simplify the process. You can choose to offer flat-rate shipping, weight-based shipping, or even free shipping. Consider your products, your target market, and your budget when deciding on the best shipping strategy. Shopify integrates with various shipping carriers, making it easy to print labels and track packages. Remember to package your products with care and provide tracking information to your customers for a positive shipping experience. Section 7. Grand opening, launching your store. You've put in the work, designed your dream store, and are ready to share it with the world. It's time to hit that publish button and make your online debut. Before you launch, double-check everything. Make sure your product descriptions are accurate, your prices are correct, and your images are stunning. Test your checkout process to ensure everything is working smoothly. Make it easy for customers to reach you with questions. Once you're confident everything is in tip-top shape, take a deep breath and click Publish. Congratulations, you're officially an online store owner. Section 8. Keep it fresh, updating your store. Launching your store is a huge accomplishment, but your journey doesn't end there. It's important to keep your store fresh and exciting to attract new customers and keep existing ones coming back for more. Regularly update your website with new products, seasonal promotions, and engaging content. Add a blog to share your expertise, behind-the-scenes peeks, or customer testimonials. The more you engage with your audience and provide value, the more successful your online store will be. Section 9. Spread the word. Marketing basics. Marketing is the lifeblood of any business, especially in the digital age. Now that your store is live, it's time to tell the world. You've put in the hard work to set up your online store, and now it's crucial to make sure people know about it. Marketing is crucial for driving traffic to your website and generating sales. Without effective marketing, even the best products can go unnoticed. There are countless ways to market your online store, each with its own unique benefits and strategies. But here are a few ideas to get you started. These foundational strategies will help you build a strong marketing plan. Create profiles for your store on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching a broad audience. Share eye-catching photos, videos, and stories to connect with potential customers. Visual content is particularly effective in capturing attention and driving engagement. Collect email addresses from visitors to your website. Building an email list allows you to communicate directly with your audience and send out newsletters with special offers, product updates, and exclusive content. Newsletters keep your audience informed and engaged with your brand. Consider running ads on social media or search engines to reach a wider audience. Paid advertising can significantly boost your visibility and attract new customers. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly create valuable content and engage with your audience to build a loyal following. Engaging with your community fosters trust and loyalty, which are essential for long-term success. Section 10. You got this. Taking the leap. Starting an online business can seem daunting, but with Shopify's user-friendly platform and your passion and dedication, success is within reach. Don't be afraid to take the leap and turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. There's an entire community of Shopify entrepreneurs ready to support you. Now go out there, create something amazing, and show the world what you're made of. Want more tips and inspiration? Follow, like, and subscribe to this channel and join our community of entrepreneurs.